Makeup ta ajuik madaya baubing. Shorkar doing a sheet or sagaina magasawi bang and some na agitation hamatin lui haira. Myanmar Lee Kale Indian now being a share kawai advisory shokhaira. Lake Hayangator, Ajo the Tangkhul Expressway Bao, IKNGUIRA SHIMRAY in a Bamidale, Bao being Mesai na Nganangarumsa. Manipur Shorkarna, Dui Migahai or Sagaina, Masaka Shok Vivang, and some na agitation Hawpokli Haura, Gaji Hangmathin Haira. Itum na Paniung Bai, Jingriai Nakale, Itumui Abamli, Internet Makamigala, Special Drive Assistant Professor Bost Bingwi, Result Mashok Kamina, Maram Sada, Ajahon Darika Tumtang, and some na economic blockade Hawpokhairasai. Ka Yarili Sagazu Paning Mida, La Shorgarna, Paigar Kuida Kale Tailaga, blockade Chi Kushok Migahaina. Border Kale Mihaura Gaji Shorkarwi Matunaina, Naga Legislative Forum Convener, Minister Awangbo New Maina, Darik Jugothang Dui Mihairasai. New Maina Dui Kamiji Datra Hagajang, Shogar Aina and Samaya Kangarok Memorandum Lake Haiji, Otsagaina Sashokra Gachina. District Headquarters Mangli Barshal Mopal Internet Kami, Kala 2021 Kum Interview Kukuhai, Assistant Professor Shaka Hangjugo Bingwi, Result Ajirashunda Mashok Mirangaji Wibang, and Samna Agitation Hawok Kwai Machukhaira. Shogarna Samiran Ajiwi Darik Magadashiniwi Alungli Masamiaka, and Samna Agitation Sagapai Sahara da Hangmatin Haira. Myanmar Lee Security Angaret Mamathala Kalewivang, Indian now being a shared upon Kwai, Indian Shorkarna Advisory Shokhaira. Ministry of External Affairs na Advisory Kashokli, Indian region now being na Kashapai na Dangda, Myanmar Shong Karamavalu Jihaira. Myanmar Lee Leda Kale Bing Nala, Nasherda Rod Kamarat Shokta Kale Bamvak, Travel Masaluda Shorkarna Handale. Kashap Aina Dangda Interstate Travel Masapalungi Gachina da, MEA release China Hanga. Myanmar Lee Bandagale Indian National Spina, Embassy of India Yangon Lee, Mingchan Sankawai Shorgarna Gatonghaira. Itum Nataibai, Hortang Myanmar Armed Forces, MAF Aina, Arakan Army AA Kangkapui Aina, Myanmar We, Rakhine State We Mi, Thingmagada Tarukada, Shimjihonga Rokhaira. Myanmar Army na Indo Myanmar Taribamli, Airstrike Kasawi Ainala, Myanmar now, Tingpanga Shika Mizoram Li Yamzang Haira. Indian Shorkarna Gahang, violence dang palungra gala, Chan Gazegai na Myanmar Lijing High Base Stability gala, Democracy Lekangasak, India winning Gachang Nada, Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arintam Pakchina Hanga. Reuters Pau Athishuda 2021 Kubli, Bauer Kwikahai Myanmar Military Jundali, Ethnic Minority Gatumna, Ngargada Military Jundana, Rebellion Li, Kangasung Ajawi Hili, Jotpokhaira. Tangkhul Nakalong with President Sakasa Senior Advocate Kuira Vakam Zimik Okatuyay Nagantuy Haira. Zinkum Hangjishada Jigoli Zatkasa Zimik Ajahon Tuesday Shok Thangashun Gantuy Haina. Zimik we Kanawa Service Lead DNL President David K. Shimrayna Kayagashi Chiteda DNL Pilan Furor Mia. Mawan Sagahai Vakam Zimikna Longli Odram Gatumigahai David K. Shimrayda Diomeka Paichtea. Vakamna 1972 we Aina 1975 we DNL President Sada Odram Mathami Kala Adama Kali DNL Speaker La Sami Haidale Itumna Taibai Zimiki Arihon Union Baptist Church does the Dakale 1988 Kum Haugapok Ngarumlong Baptist Church with founding member Akana. Legal Luramli Tangkhul now na Paigar Kare Ligazang, Advocate Vakam Zemikna, Ukrul Bar Association President Lasasaya, Kala Awi Mirin Kapai Aina Dangda Association Juwe, Auth Commissioner Samia. Tangkhul Shina along with Go Pioneer Vakamna 1984 to 86, La 1986 to 90 Li, Tangkhul Zimik Shang with President Samia. Ana 1997 to 2023 Aina Dangda Zimik Shang with History Committee Li Zangda Odram Mathemia. Discussion Forum Ukrul be member Lasasai, Senior Advocate Vakam Zimikna, Tangkhul Baptist Churches Association we, Legal Advisor La Samia. Vakam Zimiki Parung Kuli 1933 Kum Tatraha Darik Tarada Shinili Paralaga 2023 Ngapai Darik Magada Akali Mawansa Gaina Tangkhul vivang kashap sami kahaya karanau vakam zemik mawan sa highway kakanang pongshok da Tangkhul regional long now being na ngatay da condolences mingarok haira. Ukhrul district Phungridang East Li Khale Simple Solution School vivang chishut me padale. Worsham ji shothather da subject ngatay da we chishut me otpam hangdale. Academic session 2024 to 25 vivang class 1 na hawpok da class 9 na dang da vivang khanuithot ning sanglak lun sanglak kahai mi padale. Worshim chishut me otpam pingji English vivang mi khani BA MA English ku kahai now science vivang BSc MSc chemistry ku kahaya kha kala BSc MSc biology ku kahaya kha padale social science vivang BA MA matai lagai na geography ku kahaya kha ni jangdale Tangkhul vivang BA MA ku kahai class 12 aina dangda Tangkhul tamgaga now akha padale Hindi vivang class 12 aina dangda Hindi tamgaga graduate akha padale maths vivang BSc MSc mathematics akha kala contract teacher vivang graduate khani padale class 1 to 3 vivang contract oja sada tyomegap da zingkum khani minimum teaching experience khalena padale contract teacher otpam maningla gadai saigor vivang freshers la apply sabaira otpam apply ka sabing zingkum magada tharukli malang baimara kha teaching experiences khalebing zingkum thumra da phanga aina dangda miyara otpam chuivang graduation li 50% kakhuinau ngasa phalungra exceptional teaching quality experiences khalebing with zingkum hangmadida phangana maximum age limit ngasara screening with li shortlisted candidates being li interview vivang hora gala chiwi bao personal mobile number limira ninga sangbina resume gala educational certificates photocopy zangda WhatsApp 8798 371-293 li miwa baira documents chi PDF format aina miki kachina application FaceTime studio Phungridang ADC office ngalam Ukhrul lila mi baira application December khayon direction aina dangda adam midale interview 13 to 16 December direct tharada kathum aina tharada tharukwe alungli salabai hangda khalai Simple Solution School we worship Jishut me we otpam talop kachangli lupa thingmaga aina haupoki gichina Mayday gugi rot kamarathi political solution mangna Tangkhul mira da army kathana Lieutenant General Galida Nahanghaira Eastern Command with General Officer Commanding in Chief Lieutenant General Rana Pratap Galidhana Guwahati Press Club Likahang Manipur li shok da kalehi political problem na chithada sada political solution darkar sai kala shorkar wi aina khutlai likhui ka high weapons thing madi shika mahanung ranga gaji army officer china hanga community khani shi yang shi khang rock marna haira gaji hangda chingri ga high political khangsanli army na ga gadong phongshoga Lieutenant General Khalida Nagahang Rod Kamara Suida me haira khali thui ga high khutlai saikor recover musarang lakhai na dangda akha khani li Rod Kamara chokshonra Indo Myanmar tharipam wi mi bing ethnicity ri hauda zadung zadba ga sali versus na nationality majut khuishilaga chithada sada akha shongwi icham jam ram ranu Myanmar army ranu Myanmar police ranu ngin khui khangasak lei khaji process shurga zakta side officer china hanga Atumra gazangli khutlai khui chimi identification khui MEA aina Myanmar embassy li ngasan laga process zadda gala Myanmar army personnel being liva more shong khuizang laga Myanmar first li miga hawa da Lieutenant General Galidana hanga Myanmar shong rod marada India shong yam gaga icham chamar ramnaw pingli makham khawai border guard kasa force pingli hanga zakhaya kala atumna ready sahaira gaji tharan Myanmar ungasakna wada Lieutenant General Galidana hanga Manipur li ungi gaji gas pipeline project ngasam khawai angami youth organization na timan sahaira pipeline project ji National Highway 29 wi aina ungzangi china AYO President Kesosu Christopher Nalakala General Secretary Nidil Hodu Sechu Nagahang gas pipeline project ji concerned stakeholders aina labor bingli khangasan malela sahoda chili makamayana atum nagahang project ji Indra Thanish Cas Grid Limited IGGL Gaho Company na khuiga dale hakla ga hai mega project juwi kapama kapaya really mahang chithaila masempai manada launch na hanga gas pipeline skyda mirinla property sagazu shoka phaira gala chi ya really hang chithaira na Nagaland state kathali juwi risk mayang dew hai pai manada launch na hanga lansinrin ling a chon lala Mirin we safety paning palungra gajahanda risk khalai thei laga NHIDCL na gas pipeline juwi right of way krant kamiwiwang AYO na makamaya phongshoka Israel Hamas Railway kamadaya phaikar khuida ceasefire lekhawai mayang rokhaira Hamas group aina Israel we alungli ceasefire agreement lehaira gaje party khanini shina confirm sahaira ceasefire khira khwai chan ngazek Jili gazang Washington aina Qatar nala bauji confirm sahira dathraha direction thang Hamas militant na dekhawi aina ngarara shunda meeting ting thi sanghaira Egyptian state media tishuda khanini shina khangakap dang sarada ceasefire achi na hawpokra jidale Israeli shokana gahang Hamas na duknar haida khale hostages chakani hangmadi shikha wili deu megab da hangphanga zimiksho madiwi alungli jomi haura kala Israel nala Palestinian prisoners Jihomira gaje mayang rokhaira All Tangkhul Baptist Elders Forum we general meeting achi pamkida leidale Forum Chui Joint Secretary Angam Magungna Baumira da Gahang Kazipji Achi Hunpun Baptist Church Li Pamra Adam Nangathor Pung Tharada Akalibam Pogra All Tangkhul Baptist Elders Forum we general meeting Jili Forum Chui Executive Ping Langmaida Well wishers Ping Saigoruna Mashoi Langarumi Kawai Hot Dale Let Luida Achi Kamadaya Bauping Shorkar doing a sheet or Sakaina Magasawi Bang and some na agitation Hamatin Lui Haira Myanmar Lee Kale Indian now being a Share Kawai advisory Shokhaira Achi Pao healing a Janghaira, Pao another Kalena some psychorally, Ringapagala Kamaya, Simikshong Sasirana.